Fijian Kokada, Dilmah's way. Beautiful swordfish and lemon. Let it marinate. The fish will turn opaque, which means it's nearly cooked. Herbal tea relieves stress and anxiety. Now add Dilmah's spearmint and lemongrass tea. This is a pure herbal tea, so high in antioxidants, and will pair perfectly with the fish, the chili, the onions, and the coriander that I've just added to this dish. Continue to stir because that adds to the cooking process or the marination process. Tomatoes will add flavour, some chopped shallots will add a crunch, and it is seriously simple dish. Coconut cream is beautiful. It's good for you. It's got good fats and combines and brings this whole dish together. Serve it with a cup of Dilmah lemongrass and spearmint tea.